How to change filters in Lensa. Changing filters in Lensa can elevate your photos and give them a fresh look. Let's jump right into it. First things first, let's launch the Lensa app. When you're inside it, you will see a list of photos that you have edited earlier or that you have imported earlier. If the photo that you want to edit and the photo in which that you want to change the filters is right over here, simply tap on it. And if you want to change the filter of the photos that are not here, what you can do is simply tap on the plus button right over here and import the photo that you want to edit. However, the photo I want to change the filter is right over here. So let's tap on it. That photo is this one. Let's tap on it and go inside it. Give it a time to be loaded. Once the photo is loaded, you should see a range up option at the bottom of the screen. Look at the filter icon, which is this one. Let's tap on it. And here's where the fun part begins. Scroll through the filters over here to find out that it speaks to your creative side. You might be drawn to the warm vintage vibe or the vibrant pop of the color. Take a moment to preview how each filter affects your photo by tapping on them just like this, and it will be changed immediately. Be sure to pay attention to how the lightening and shadows set. Once you find the perfect filter, you can adjust the intensity by using the slider. You can see this slider over here. You can just slide it and keep the intensity as you like. And once you're happy with it, simply tap on the stick right over here. And if everything seems good, simply tap on the save button which is in top right corner, and it's done. And just like that, you have mastered changing the filters in Lensa. Time to share your stunning creation with everyone you know now. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.